Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for MRCs step by step. First, familiarize yourself with the exam format and content. This includes understanding both Part A and Part B requirements. Next, collect all necessary textbooks, online resources, and question banks. Finally, develop a comprehensive study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject to ensure thorough coverage and consistent progress. To master the core content, prioritize anatomy, physiology, and pathology, as these form the foundation of the exam. Use high-quality question banks extensively. They are crucial for understanding question styles and identifying knowledge gaps. Aim to complete at least 2,000 practice questions. Additionally, collaborating with a study group can provide different perspectives and reinforce your understanding of complex topics. Effective practice and revision are key to success. Consistently revisit topics you find difficult, perhaps dedicating 25% of your study time to these areas. Practice answering questions under timed conditions to improve your speed and accuracy. Simulating the actual exam environment, including the duration and format, will significantly boost your confidence and reduce anxiety on the big day. For your final preparation, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before the exam. On exam day, arrive at the venue well in advance with all required identification and materials. During the exam, read each question carefully, manage your time wisely, and try to remain calm. Trust your preparation. You've worked hard for this moment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.